Hello and welcome to MyFinanceTeacher. Today is 23rd of September 2017. Today is Saturday. Let's have a look at what gold has been doing over the last week and see what is it likely to do over the next week and beyond. So as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, you'll see a link at the top of the screen right now. We are in the declining phase of this daily cycle, which has been going on since early July. Since early July, we've rallied until early September, reached the level of 1360, and now we are in the declining phase of this daily cycle. Daily cycles usually last for about 2 to 2.5 months. This daily cycle has been going on for 2.5 months already. So there is a chance we are getting close, very close, to a cycle low, which means a new cycle is just about to start, which will bring gold price upwards. However, I would say there is just only a 50% chance of that, as there are some factors pointing to a potential cycle low somewhere here, where we are, and there are some factors pointing to a possible continuation of this declining phase for another several days, maybe a week or so. Now let's have a look at those factors. On one hand, within this retracement, within this cooling off period, declining phase of the daily cycle, we have reached a double support zone. A support zone formed by a couple of factors. One of those is these two prior peaks together create this support zone just under 1300. We have reached that and might bounce off this support zone. A same support zone or similar one is formed by the Fibonacci retracement numbers. If we look at those, the 38% retracement is very close to the level of these two prior peaks. We've passed through the 38% retracement, and it means that on one hand we have reached this double support zone, but on the other hand we might continue going down to 50% or even 62% retracement before this daily cycle finishes, and that would of course imply a longer than usual daily cycle. If we go down to 50% or 62% retracement, that would mean gold price comes down to 1280, 1260 or so. Another factor that points to a possibility that gold might continue down for about a week is this 10-day RSI. Although it is very close to oversold level, it is not at oversold levels yet. So gold might continue down for another few days. But again, on the other hand, we are very close to oversold levels. So we still might experience a bounce up from here. So at the moment, what we are sure is we are in the declining phase of this daily cycle. What we are not sure is whether we're about to start the new cycle or continue this cycle for another several days, a week or so. I would say it's probably a 50-50 chance at the moment. It's hard to make a call in this situation. However, with my portfolio, I will wait for another few days. At least I will wait how the beginning of the coming week turns out, and then make a decision. This, of course, is not an investment advice. I will, once I make a decision, I will post an update in my fictional investment portfolio, so watch out for that video. Remember, this is not an investment advice. However, I do wish you luck in your trades, Thank you for your attention, and I would appreciate if you share this video and hit the like button.